I'm going to try to set a world record. Who is sitting quiet? Hands in their laps. Big smiles on their faces. Now, most teachers don't have their phones with them, right? You don't have your phone with you. Do you have your phone with you? Do you know how to use the stopwatch?
Yes.
Like the timer? If you don't know how to use it, just ask the kids, because they'll tell you how to use it. Okay? You're going to be my official world record timer. Okay? Because there is a world record for the world's fastest balloon animal tied behind your back. Now, if I were just going to do a dog, the world record is 4.1 seconds. But I'm going to let you guys pick the animal. You guys get to choose. All right? And that makes it harder. The world record for a balloon animal behind your back that the audience picks is 23.4 seconds. So I've got to beat 23.4 seconds. All right, I am going to need another helper. Would you help me with this one? Would you help me with this one? Just stay right there. We're going to pick animals. I just want you to write them down one at a time. And then fold them once or twice. You okay? All right, I picked a teacher who's going to write these down for me. All right, raise your hand if you think you know an animal that you would like me to make. I am looking for quiet sitting kids who are not yelling. Hand up. There's a girl in the back with rainbows on her pants. Stay right there. Yell out an animal. What animal?
Tiger.
Oh, a tiger. All right, write that down. Actually, would you do me a favor and come up and do that on stage with me, just so that we can see it on the camera? I hate to make you stand up. I know this is your half hour off. All right, now that says tiger. Take it up. Hand it to me. I will fold it up, and I'll put it in my hat. All right, next one. All right, who is sitting quiet? Hands in their laps. Big smiles on their face. What animal can you think of? What animal do you like? A doggy. Okay, put a doggy on there. Hey, I like that. There's a doggy in there. I have a chance. Have a seat. Have a seat. Who is sitting quiet? Hands in their laps. Thank you. That says dog. All right, how about one hand up? Sitting quiet. There's a girl here in the yellow. Cheetah, the fastest animal in the world. I like that. All right. How about you, sir? What one do you think? This guy, yeah.
Lion.
A lion. So I'll take the cheetah. Thank you. We're only going to do about 3 more. That says cheetah. All right, he said lion. Lion. All right, very good. Anybody else? Drop it in. Quiet. Lion. All right, 2 more. How about you, dude? What do you think?
Levi.
A penguin? Oh, I love a penguin. All right, penguin.
He said
Penguin.
Levi.
He said his name was Levi?
He said Levi.
Is your name Levi?
No, my name is Connor.
Connor. Okay. I might have misunderstood what he said. Hold on. What did you say, dude? What animal did you say?
My name is Levi.
A what? A bunny. I apologize. Thank you for your help. All right, here we go. Bunny. We'll have this be the last one.
Check your bottoms.
All right. Hold it up for me. Did I give you the cap for that? There you go. Everybody give the teacher a big clapping hand. Okay, so now we're going to have somebody tell me when to stop. Okay, who is sitting quiet? Who is sitting quiet? How about the pretty girl in the white shirt right here? All right, whenever you're ready, I want you to say stop. Okay, ready? Whenever you're ready. Say stop.
I'm ready.
Stop! She said it. Okay, this is it. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know which one it is. Oh, this is the one I did not want. This one is penguin. Penguin, the one I got mistaked. Oh no. All right, nope, I'm keeping those. All right, here we go. You ready with the timer?
Ready.
Now the rules for the world record is that I don't have to count the blowing up part.
No.
Okay, and I'm going to do it behind my back. So when I turn around, I'm going to tell you I'm ready. I want you to say go. And then every 5 seconds, I want you to say 5, 10, 15, 20. Now I have to be shorter than 23 seconds. When I say stop, stop. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Do you wish me luck?
No. No.
I wish me luck. Does this look like a penguin?
No.
No. All right, I'm turning around. Now does it look like a penguin?
No.
Okay, I'm ready whenever you
All
are.
right, ready, set, go.
Okay, now I'm going. I don't know if I can do it. It's got to be pretty fast. Here we go. I'm going pretty fast. I feel pretty good.
5.
Ooh, 5 seconds. Okay, here we go. I'm not sure if I can do it. Oh,
10.
wait a minute. We're going to start over. We're going to start over.
All
All right, here we go. Okay, do me a favor. Do me a favor. I'm trying to concentrate. Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat.
Ellen,
On your bottom.
and Keanu.
I'm not scared.
Ready,
Ready?
set, go.
Okay. Oh no, she went fast. I wasn't quite ready. All right, here we go. I feel pretty good. I'm a little nervous. That's the thing. This is a world record attempt. 5 already? Oh my goodness. I don't know. Here we go. I feel good. I feel good. I feel really good. I feel really good. Hold on just a second. Done.
Did he do it?
That was pretty good. Now we haven't figured out the time yet. Hold on just a second. What did I do with my pen? This doesn't count because you don't have to do this behind your back. But this is what I always do. I always give him a bow tie. And I always give him a tuxedo. All right, how many seconds?
16.1.
We did it! We set a world record! You're not clapping! Come on! Thank you so much. All right, I can't give this. All right, so let's talk about how this trick is done and what makes it a magic trick and not a balloon trick, okay? So truthfully, the way it becomes a magic trick and not a balloon trick is that I force the penguin. I'm forcing the penguin on the audience. It seems like they have a wide open choice, right? But it started with me practicing balloon animals behind my back, okay? You don't have to do a dog. You can do a poodle, you can do a bunny rabbit. So let me just show you this real quick. Okay. If you could do a dog, right? This is a bunny rabbit. I'm not going to do it behind my back, but long ears. That's a dog head. Short front legs. Those are dog legs. Big back legs. Again, those are all dog body parts. And all you have to do is push the front legs into the back legs and you've got a bunny. All right? So you can do a bunny in less than 10 seconds with some practice. You'd think doing it behind your back would be hard. It's not. Your hands know what to do. All right, there we go, bunny rabbit. So it doesn't matter. Pick an animal. I picked penguin because it was one that I invented and because I could do it in less than 20 seconds, right? Also, as I stated on the video, I left the pop in because I wanted you to know that it's okay to pop. It's a world record attempt. You don't always make a world record the first time, right? You don't want it to pop 10 times in a row. But if you pop it twice in a row and you know, like anytime I do something that goes wrong twice in a row, I'll say, all right, kids, while I'm doing it, I want everybody to go, please, please, please with me. Somehow that seems to work. Sometimes it works the third time around. But anyway, forcing the penguin. How do you force the penguin? This is a technique I did today that I never have done before. I made this up on the drive up to the show. I was planning on doing another bit in this show that I wanted to tape for you guys, and I decided to switch it to the world record. And as I was driving up there, I was like, oh crap, I forgot to figure out how I was going to do this. So I decided I would do that. I would have the teacher write down the names. What I should have done was say, just call out an animal. Everybody call it out, call it out. So they're all yelling animals. And one of them all here, cheetah, frog, alligator. And then when I go penguin, it just seems like I heard it. Doesn't make a big deal. So I actually got myself in a little bit of trouble because I was giving everybody an individual choice, right? The kid I picked said some other thing that wasn't an animal. So that's why I went penguin. Okay, and then the teacher wrote it. It just seemed like it happened naturally, but I was forcing the penguin. Normally I wouldn't do that. Normally I'd say everybody yell, 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 dog, cat, frog, anything, penguin. And then I'd pull a penguin out, about the third, fourth, fifth one. Then when the teacher handed it to me, I was folding them all up, dropping them in my hat. Folding them all up, dropping them in my hat. When I got the penguin, I folded it all up, pretended to drop it in the hat, and held on to it. And then when we were stirring it up, I was holding it in my hand. Stirring up, stirring up, stirring up, stirring up. You tell me when to stop, stop. I pull it out. Usually I'd hand it to an adult, have them read it. Penguin, and now we're off. So that's what makes it a magic trick, is forcing the penguin. Okay, so there's another way to do it, and this is the way I normally do it, but it's hard. You got to think, you know. So here it is. Let's call them out. Call them out. Frog. Okay, frog. There's a frog. Okay, a turtle. All right, let me write that down. All right, alligator. All right, here's an alligator. Let me write that down. You guys are coming up with good animals. Next one, penguin. All right, penguin. Okay, that's how I write penguin, by the way, just to let you know. And one more, turtle. This is exactly what I do. Okay. So when I said you have to think, now I put all those in the hat. Now I'll have a kid draw it out. What I did was I wrote penguin on every single one. Penguin, 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 penguin. And the reason I was laughing at myself is I started to write turtle instead of penguin. You have to remember you're writing penguin every time. But if you're doing the writing, you just write penguin, 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 penguin. Throw them in the hat, and then you can have a kid draw it, right? And notice when I wrote the penguin, I showed it to you. Penguin, this is what my penguin looks like. And then when they pull it out, it looks exactly like that. So that's another way to force the penguin, right? The final way is if you've got a change bag. I don't know if you've seen my change bag routine, but it's basically a bag with a pocket on either side. I can fill up a pocket of penguins. Penguin, 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 fill them all up. And then I actually write and put it in the other pocket. Frog, alligator, turtle, put it all in the other pocket, do the switch, have a kid reach down, and his only chance to get is penguins. Because the penguins are on the one side, the other ones are on the other side. So force whatever it is you want to do, whatever you've practiced, and then you can beat the world record every time. Now also, how did I pick the 23 seconds? I picked the 23 seconds because I practiced that penguin and I knew I could do it in about 15, 16 seconds. And so I picked a number higher than that so that if I make a mistake, if I slow down, I'm still going to beat the 20 seconds, right? People are impressed when you break a world record. And so I love this trick because it's a magic trick. You have to force the penguin, but it's also a balloon trick. So it's a way to bring balloons into your show. And one of the things I do with my show, if you notice, my opener is a juggling opener. And if you just know basic juggling, you can do a basic juggling opener, right? If you do magic tricks and then you do this balloon trick, all of a sudden your show is a variety show. Magic, juggling, balloons, and all of a sudden you've got a variety show. Now you throw in a bit, another skit, you know, and now you do it all. And that's the idea. Let's do it all, right? So anyway, I hope you're enjoying these. I'm going to be throwing up a bunch more. And I'm also going to cover a whole bunch of different areas. Check out all the playlists. Subscribe. Check out my coaching site if you want help with your business and how to generate more business and how to shore up your skills. That's what I do. Have a great day. See you later.